Now we are going to talk about bevel deformer. Now if you guys know, if you want to add bevel to your object, what we need to do over here, first of all, we need to convert this object into editable object. Right now this cube is in a parametric form. If I want to add bevel to it, I can press C on my keyboard. Then I need to select my edges. I'll hit Ctrl A to select all the edges, right click, then I'll choose bevel, and then I can increase the offset and then increase the subdivisions. But suppose if I want to apply bevel to my object but in the parametric form only, then how to do that? That's where our bevel deformer comes in play. If I select this bevel deformer and if I move inside this cube, now as you guys can see, we have successfully applied this bevel deformer. Then just like bevel, you can increase the offset of it. If you go to the bevel, you can go to the options, then you will get this kind of offset. You can increase the subdivisions also, and there are several settings over here like round, etc, etc. But the main option is that you can increase the and adjust your bevels and increase the depth, and you can play around with these options to get different results. Like as you guys can see, this is one kind of invert bevel. If you hit Ctrl R, you will get different shape. So because the depth is -1, if I make this +1, obviously you will get different results like that. And the benefit is that you can still edit object with the size and etc, and you can increase the segments. But if you increase the segments, this bevel is going to add segments to this one also, because the main thing about bevel, it will apply bevel to all the edges. And because if I hide this, as you guys can see, we have now one edge over here also. So now this bevel will apply the bevel effect on this edge also. That's why we are getting multiple edges over here. If you increase the edges again and again and again, it will add bevel again and again, and your shape will be look weird. So make sure to understand that. So yep, that's the use of bevel deformer.